Welcome to another edition of Faulkner Fixes All. Glad you could tune in. Got a few minutes. We're gonna go all Picasso on you. Anyway, I got lucky. Wifey was actually doing a painting with a lot of green in it, so I brought this fender in, and she kind of matched this kind of light green color and the dark green, and of course brown, rusty brown. That's an easy match. All right, so let's get into it. We got to make this look like that. So I scuffed this up a little bit earlier, and then we're just gonna kind of go for it. If it turns out good, then it turns out good. Hopefully it'll turn out good. Now let's get you on top of here. Let's see here. Yeah, you can kind of see what's going on. Okay. Alright, so first we're gonna take our little palette. Wifey's got this color mixed up. It's kind of light green stuff going on, so we're gonna dab into a little bit of that. This should dry very quickly. It's about 1,000,000 degrees out here right now, so this should really just whip up very quickly. So first we're gonna kind of edge in around here and make this like a weird little light green area, because in the paint of this bike are some light greenish areas. So we're just kind of mimic that, and we're gonna put some brown in there too. This is not done yet. We're gonna get a little white. We're gonna get a little. There's a towel with some water on it. We're gonna do kind of a wash thing once I get this applied. I think we need some more dark green right now. Yeah, that's better. More dark green. Maybe some more light green. It's not an exact science. We're just gonna smudge some stuff on there. Then we're gonna take a towel and kind of give it a wash, a gentle dabbing. Put some more brown on this side because it's rustier over here. That spruce green had a little bit of blue in it, it looks like. It's, I'll take a little bit of this bright stuff and we'll wash it in there. Okay, I think we're ready for a little wash action. We'll see how that works. Okay, we're ready for a gentle dabbing. Let's see how this dabbing works. We might need more water. Yeah, I think we're gonna have to put some water on this. I'll be right back. trying to make it less, right now it's pretty exotic looking. We need to kind of tone that down a little. This darker green looks pretty good. We could just get this brown kind of toned down a little bit. Yeah, it's looking good. If we could just get that. Where's that brush? Needs to be darker. Darn. Okay, let's get that wash in here. Well, it's not dark enough. I think I'm going to go in and get some. We need some dark green. That wasn't quite happening. Here's some brown. Okay. Well, it's definitely too bright. Well, we're gonna get some dark green. It's just too bright. Yeah, maybe some brown. Well, it's still better. It's slightly better than the other brighter paint. I think what we're gonna do is get some more brown and some more dark green, and we'll just kind of fudge it in there. Stay tuned for part 10 coming up. I'll see how I'm gonna get some darker paint. We'll go from there. Check out the other part. It'll be part 10, I think. Okay. Faulkner Fixes All signing off.